First of all, I want to thank everybody brave enough to come out on the eve of a tropical storm. These people, these 6 people, 8 people, did not have the guts. They bought tickets, there's 2 more right there. They bought tickets the first day it went on sale, but they don't have the guts, like you do, to come out the day before. The day before. We haven't seen a cloud yet. And they're too afraid to come out. These people, I want their names, their phone numbers. I want to call them and get to the bottom of why they're not there. You don't buy tickets to the front row and not show up. You don't. He's got a Hawaiian shirt. He's ready for the tropical storm. What are we going to do? The reason most of us moved out here was because of the weather. Now that our weather is like everybody else's weather, why are we going to stay? Why? Everybody's like, oh, we don't have to worry about the big tropical storm hitting California. It doesn't affect us. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. You better be just as scared as us because we're moving to you. We're moving to you. We're going to your state. If we're going to have your crappy weather, we're going to your state where there's lower taxes, no homeless, and less crime. We're coming.